Hello, everyone. My name is Sadam Langla, and today we are going to be discussing my nursing portfolio. So, the agenda is to discuss my credentials, my needs assessments, and a scholarly research paper that I'm currently working on, and my critical thinking to scholarly writing class. So my credentials. So I graduated with a nursing diploma from Georgian College in August of 2019 and obtained my RPN license on the 15th of November 2019. I've been a practicing nurse since then, and I've mainly focused on mental health. So for my needs assessments, so, because I work in a psychiatric facility, um, what I wanted to study was the side effects that psychiatric medications has on the patients, and I also want to improve my conflict resolution skills, and also want to improve my scholarly research in order to study new evidence from research articles in order to implement it into my practice. So, for the psychiatric medication side effects, so my goal was to educate myself on the side effects that psychiatric medications cause our patients, such as neuroleptic malignant syndrome, which is a deadly side effect from antipsychotic medications such as Haldol, EPS, extrapyramidal symptoms, and dystonic reactions. So for this, I attended medication education training hosted by the clinical educator at my workplace, and I completed this requirement on the 9th of September 2022. I was able to identify when a patient was experiencing negative side effects and administered anticholinergic drugs such as benztropine to counteract the side effects of the antipsychotic medications. So for conflict resolution, so my goal was to better manage conflict that occurred when a patient escalated and became violent towards staff and other co-patients. So I improved my skills on conflict management by reviewing a patient's crisis prevention plan, learning from experienced nurses, and attending training for nonviolent crisis intervention, which I completed on the 19th of September. And this is an ongoing thing because this training is required. We're required to do this training every year. So for my scholarly research, I completed a reflection paper to a research question, and I formulated a research question for my reflection paper and gathered references, and I completed an annotated bibliography. So so like I said earlier, I want to improve my research skills in order to study what I've learned from new research and then implement into my practice in order to improve patient outcomes. And in my appendix, I have my reflection paper, my research questions, and my annotated bibliography. That's it. Thank you.